You have to relight the boilers or the water.
Yeah, I know. So, this is what it's like when you have a gas leak and you're unaware. And this is what will happen. Damn thing. That's what you'll get. That's it. It's not gonna blow up, not gonna burn your house down, but that's a gas leak. You blow it out. So, you know, definitely it's something to take care of. So I'm gonna show you how to shut that off. Because when you call the fire company or UGI or one of your gas companies to come out for a gas leak, it turns into like the apocalypse. Fire companies show up, ambulances show up. Like, if you smell gas, there's a simple way to take care of it. Go shut it off. Open all your windows and doors in the house. Now, this has been going on for these people who knows how long. Obviously, that pipe's been in there for years. So it's not that strong of a gas leak. But what you do is you come over to your gas meter, something like this, and you just line up the two holes. And that'll take care of that. Shut the gas off. Then you can call up the utility company or a plumber and have them do the investigation of that leak. And you don't have a crazy apocalypse go on or something of that sort, because as soon as the gas company comes here, they're going to put a pin in that. And they're not going to turn it back on until you have somebody come out to fix it anyways. So to avoid having them pin it, shut it off, call your plumber, whatever, have them come over and investigate and take care of the problem that you're at hand. Otherwise, now it's middle of October, it's cold. You'll be waiting for that company to now come back to turn that water or that gas back on. And there's really no reason for such a small leak. Hercules was on that one today.
Do you see enough or do you need this?
What?
Can you see enough or do you need some
I
light?
got plenty of light. You do what you gotta do.
I'm done. That was
Damn. Whew. Could you check behind there and see if there's a chimney there for that? I mean, the threads are good, just not so much. So we'll try to, wow, that's way too bright. Threads are good on the pipe. So I'll try to rethread it back in there. See what we end up with.
No.
No? It might be outside. Or I'll have to pull the chimney apart.
Well, I wouldn't mess with it. Take a peek, see what it looks like.
I don't know. I guess this guy doesn't know what a straight line looks like.
Hercules?
Hercules.
Yeah, that yellow light's better.
Huh?
That yellow light is better on there. That white one is like so bright.
You want to go turn that gas main back on? There you have it. No more leak. No more bubbles, no more leak. No more flames.